All right, Studebaker fans, the day's your day. I have found another one. Holy cow, they're coming out of the woodwork, man. Another Studebaker. What we have here, this car is in process of being restored. It's a 1965 Studebaker Cruiser. Looks like a Lark, but he said they called them Cruisers in 65 and 66. Now, this car came with a small block Chevy, a 283. That's the way it came from the factory. And that engine is sitting right over there. Let me see if I can... there she is right there. That's the original engine sitting on the engine stand right there. Okay. 1965 Studebaker Cruiser. He just had it painted. It is the original color. Car is in restoration process. See if we can get you in here. Again, he was nice enough to let us come in here and video this car. That is a really good looking body work and paint. I like that. That's a really good job. The old work in process. That dash pad looks nice. Look at the windshield. The windshield looks really good too. And you can tell that seal's new. I love it when guys care for cars. I really do. It doesn't matter what it is. It really does it, folks. Get your car and have fun with it. Just don't get in over your head. If your toolbox is limited and your skills are limited, try to get something that's running and driving. But a lot more enjoyable to fix up. If you're a master, then by all means dig in deep, get you a project, a big time project. Okay, yes sir. Inside the car, I don't want to get too close to it. I don't want to scratch his paint. There's that old lazy S on the steering wheel and the horn button. Got a nice set of gauges on this one too. Looks like we got a clock on this one also. That one I did a while ago didn't have a clock, but it had the other gauges. It's the same instrument cluster, it looks like, with little toggle switches and stuff. Pretty cool, man. A pretty cool vehicle here. 65 Studebaker Cruiser. Now, like they called these Larks in the earlier, I think 60s, late 50s. Same body style in the early 60s, but the Studebaker was kind of on its way out by 65. I think they finally did die in 66. So started calling them Cruisers. But you don't see too many people restoring Studebakers, especially four-doors. So this is kind of cool. Kind of cool indeed. It's a sedan. Step back and get you a nice long look at this beauty. A lot of folks think these are Ramblers. They have a similar style to a Rambler. Yeah. I think these are a little better looking than a Rambler. What do you think? Okay, folks, subscribe to my channel, Bob's Classic Cars and Parts. I continue to bring you these treasures. Various states. You know, I've dug up a Corvette, 65 Corvette sitting in the woods. I've done some really cool, nicely restored cars too. So anything in between. Done you a fire truck, all kind of crazy stuff. So even found a Packard sitting in the woods. So subscribe to my channel. There's no telling what I'll be coming up with next. I got a lot of cool stuff coming up. Weather has hampered me a little bit here lately on some of the stuff I was going to video. But hit that like button, comment on these cars, encourage these guys. You know, every car is not for everybody. Everybody has their own taste in cars. I don't like to criticize people's builds. You do your build your way, and these guys do their builds their way, and they enjoy the cars they like. They have sentimental reasons and all kind of reasons why they enjoy the cars they do. So hit the like button, encourage these guys. Hit that bell notification at the top. Subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification. And that way you'll get notified when I come up with a new video. And I'm coming up with new videos about twice, sometimes 3 times a week. Okay, it's free to join, free to have fun. All right, folks, we're gonna do that Ford. We'll sneak peek at the Ford. We're gonna do that Ford next. Okay.